Welcome to my YouTube channel Unstoppable Learning. Today let's discuss about how to log into Dynatrace. If you are looking for how to log into Dynatrace environment, the easiest way is to go to Dynatrace website. This is the Dynatrace website and you see the option called login. As I already logged in, if I click on this login option, it will directly redirect it to this Dynatrace console. But in your case, that is different. As Dynatrace provides SaaS login, once you give the option for login, or once you get the login option, like put your email ID as well like password, then you will be redirected to this console as I mentioned. So today let's discuss about the downloading the one agent. So click on this one agent as I shown here. You will find the option. Click on this, it takes us to the deployment page. Now click on this setup option. We install on our machines and this is called as Dynatrace One Agent. Basically, One Agent is a software that is gonna install and send back the information to Dynatrace SaaS environment. We can install One Agent on multiple operating systems. As shown here, it can be installed on Windows, Linux, Solaris, Kubernetes, OpenShift, and many others. Even in Kubernetes as well. In this lesson, we shall install it on Windows. Click on it. Now download One Agent installer. This can be achieved, or you can go with the option called command prompt as I mentioned here, or here this is the option for the command prompt. See, you can actually customize. We have the option called set host groups, network zones, and tags. Let's click on this download one agent installer. Now you can able to see the Dynatrace One Agent installer progress state. It is getting downloaded. Let's hold for some time. I'll just pause here till the Dynatrace One Agent gets installed. Yes, it got installed. Once agent gets downloaded, we go with step 3, that is as mentioned here, run the installer on the target host. Also, we can download one agent and we can transfer it and run it on any other host later. Now just click on this. Yes. Now it is getting setting up. As shown here, the setup is getting started and you see the screen. Now you can click on next and then the file path, next. Now if you click on this install button, now the process of installing one agent starts now. Let's wait. It is getting installing, you see, and it is checking agent connection status. One agent is getting installed. Finally, we get Dynatrace installed. Click on this next finish option, and our next step is to install the process you want to monitor. To know, click on the show deployment status. We see one agent deployed on our host. See, for example, this is our machine name, and we see our the one agent got installed in our machine. If we need to deploy on other machines or other operating systems, in the same way, go to Dynatrace, click on deploy Dynatrace as shown previously, as shown in this screen. Then you can actually go as per requirement. If it is like Linux operating system, Linux, or otherwise if it is of Kubernetes, then you'll be redirected to these all kind of options. If it is Kubernetes, try giving these all, then this one agent will be installed in Kubernetes as well. This is all about the installing one agent in Windows machine. Thank you all. As said, we gonna learn every single feature in our next video. Thank you.